All right, welcome to class. What we're doing today, virtual snap circuits. Virtual snap circuits is what you do if you do not have the actual snap circuit kit. When we don't have the kit, we use the DC-AC Lab website to basically perform the same thing. So let me click on the website link here. Takes me to DC-AC Lab. You can click try for free. Takes it a little bit to load. Loaded a little bit faster than normal today. And here's the website. Parts for building your things are along the top. The space you build them is down here. So let's start off. Lab one for snap circuit kits involves you bring a battery, an on-off switch, and a lamp. So let me just place them here. The way you wire them together, just click from point to point. Try read. I don't think I got that one quite connected, so let's see if I can. Get this third wire here. Nope, this one's not connected. So I gotta. There, I got rid of it. Now let me hook it up one. There we go. So I got the wire there. And you can see I got the switch turned on, electricity's flowing around, bulbs lighting up. That's lab one. Lab two, I get this light bulb and delete it and replace the light bulb with the fan. And turn it on. Shows electricity flowing, the fan spinning. And it's essentially how you use the DC-AC Lab website to do snap circuits. So what you want to do for doing the snap circuits is either use the assignment help file link, which shows what the different labs were, or you can just download the snap circuits reference material and go through the labs there. As I said, you're just doing them virtually when you use this website. The parts are all up along the top. Good luck. Had fun with this. That's all for now.